Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. My name's Emma. I'm a sophomore in college, almost finished with my sophomore year though. Only have like a week and a half left, which is crazy. But yeah, I just post like lifestyle-ish videos on here about once a week, and I also post on my Instagram, so you guys should definitely be sure to subscribe and follow me on there. Today's video is going to be a college night routine. Today is Tuesday, April 16th. It's 4:01 p.m. I got home from class about 5 minutes ago. I had 2 communication classes, intercultural communication and then the internet and everyday life. I am a comm major. I'm minoring in marketing, and then I'm getting a certificate in digital engagement, in case you guys are wondering. People always ask. My classes were pretty good. It's also very sunny and warm outside. However, I am very hungry. Since my classes are from like 11 to 3:20, I really don't like pack a lunch just because it's kind of a hassle, and I'm also not a huge fan of eating in public. It always like, I don't know, I feel like I forget how to eat when like I feel like other people are watching me eat, so I don't even like mess with it. So when I get home from class, I'm usually very hungry since it's like 4 o'clock and I literally haven't eaten since about 10 a.m. So I am going to go make myself a little like pre-dinner late lunch kind of thing. And yeah, it's a pretty typical Tuesday night for me. Tuesday, Thursday, I'm always home by 4, and I usually don't have plans, so I just spend my time doing homework, being productive, getting a workout in, cleaning up my room, just kind of like random little things. And if you guys didn't know, I'm actually leaving the country. I'm teaching in the Ukraine this summer with ILP, and I leave April 26th, so I have lots to do before then. I have lots of homework, I have papers, research papers, I have exams. I have like online training for ILP and like their teaching methods. I just have like a ton of stuff to do, and like packing and getting supplies and all that kind of fun stuff. So I definitely feel as though I have a lot to do and not a lot of time to do it. So I'm definitely going to try to make the rest of my night very productive. Yesterday I was very productive and I was like so proud of myself. So I'm gonna try and do the same thing today. I really haven't worked on too much homework. I worked on my research paper in between my classes, but I have an exam Thursday, which is definitely a priority. We had exam review in class, and there's so much content, so much stuff, so I definitely need to be spending a good amount of time studying for that, so that I'm prepared, because I would like to do well on it. That's really all that demands my attention like for the rest of the night. Obviously there are things to be working on and getting ahead on, but yeah, I honestly can't even think, so I'm gonna go get food. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do a little workout. It's almost 7 o'clock. I was outside for like over 2 hours, like 2.5 hours. It was just so nice outside, and I was working on my paper and I was doing a little bit of training for this summer, and it was just really nice. But then I was like, okay, Emma, I feel like you should probably like go inside, get a workout, take a shower, get some dinner, and like start winding down for the night. So we're gonna do that. I do work out at home. I don't have like a gym membership or anything like that, so I love to do just videos from YouTube. So this is Tone It Up's Total Body Tone Up, which I love this video. It's super good. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. And I usually do like Tone It Up, Pop Sugar Fitness, or like a yoga video from Yoga by Adriene. Those are kind of like my 3 go-tos, and I'll just kind of alternate depending on like what I'm feeling like, or like how much I want to do, how much time I want to spend, etc. Alright, so I am all showered now and I ate dinner. I made myself grilled cheese and tomato soup. It was so good. I feel like that meal like never fails to disappoint, at least for me. But yeah, it's about 8:20 and I am going to spend the rest of the night probably studying for my exam on Thursday. Like I said, there's so much content for this exam. There's just like a lot of terms, so I'm gonna work on that probably until about 9 and then probably do some more training for my summer. I still have like three whole, I'm only like halfway finished with it. So I need to get going on that. And I finished all of my homework for my classes tomorrow, so yeah.